Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you in case you have a Bosch brand microwave and you're getting an E11 error. And if you're getting an E11 error, probably none of the buttons on your microwave will work. And the reason that this is happening is because the microwave has sensed moisture around the buttons, and to protect itself, it will not allow them to function. Like if you were cooking something and a lot of steam is coming out, that condensation can get on here and can prevent the microwave from working properly. So all you need to do is just turn it off, preferably if you can unplug it to protect the machine, and then wipe all the humidity off of here and all the condensation, let it dry out, and then turn it back on. And then if you get all the condensation, all the humidity and wetness off this panel, get it plugged back in, you should get your microwave back working again and get rid of this error. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.